Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to enable Grayscale on Android. Enabling Grayscale on Android changes your screen to black and white. Many people use this feature to reduce distractions, save battery on some devices, or make the display easier on the eyes. The exact menu names may vary depending on the Android version and phone brand. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the home screen. Find and tap the Settings app. Scroll down to locate Accessibility. Tap Accessibility to open more options. Look for color and motion display enhancements or text and display. Find the option labeled Color Correction or Color Filters. Enable the toggle to on to use color correction for the feature. Tap the Grayscale related setting to continue. Choose Grayscale from the available color modes. Wait a moment for the screen to change to black and white. Test the display by opening different apps. If needed, add the feature to quick settings for easier access. Return to the same menu anytime to turn Grayscale off. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.